Are you kidding me? That's how you start a morning right there.
Well guys, we forgot to film an intro for this one, so without further ado, welcome to day 11. Well, I missed that one.
I didn't even see him until after he shot. I heard that quick lip kiss and I saw his point and I was looking. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. Sorry.
Did not have a hole in him.
He was broadside, standing right at that yucca.
Well, you gotta be blowing more holes and stuff, Garrett.
I'm more worried about numbers right now.
Well, I'll take that. That's 3 days in a row. We got one on the first stand.
Yeah.
2 of them super late though.
Yeah, yesterday.
Snow. What is this?
Not much blood. Yeah, it is. Not sure whose is whose there.
Not too big of a hole though.
He was broadside when I shot him. You can see where there's a little bit where.
I just looked over and it looked like you spit a coyote out of your mouth, because when I looked over, it like literally ran right out over your mouth with me.
When you kissed, I was sure that it was out here. Just the way we were sitting. I was like,
Yeah.
I can't see one over here.
Yeah, because you had
I
panned.
heard that and I was kind of looking this and I heard you kiss. I started panning over and I seen him like right here. I was like, oh shit.
I think you were looking about right here when I kissed.
I even thought it was a second coyote, because then I saw this one. I was like, there's no way that's one Micah saw. I was like, right here, right here.
Well guys, hopefully today doesn't do what yesterday did, where we get freaking 3 of them in the morning before 8 o'clock and then nothing the rest of the day till the evening. So hopefully we can just keep rolling them today.
Absolute mess of this. I told you I gut shot it.
Oh yeah. Yep, that one's not going on camera. Cool.
Well, do this. That would be just fine.
No, I had to tuck a little bit of that.
There you go.
There.
Like that.
Looks better. Yeah. Wait, that's the entrance right there, isn't it?
Oh, that's stuff on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be.
Well, you got
We'll
it.
take it. Look at this teeth on this thing. All wore down. It's an older coyote. Guys, here's a good example. Kind of screwed up on this coyote. Hit the wrong button. Didn't stop and got him to come in. He came to that awkward distance of about 50 yards. Broadside shot. Luke hits him with the shotgun, but he takes off running. Probably 400 or 500 yards. But we watched him at the top of the hill, really slowing down. Most people would have just walked away and said, oh well, you know, we lost him, didn't get him. But the same thing. You never know if you get a BB in the heart or in the lungs. We walked up over 20 yards on the other side of the hill.
There he is, as I'm standing right in the sun.
Right there.
Nice. Heck yeah. Now let's hope we can break 3.
Yeah, no kidding.
Well guys, you heard us kind of mention it a couple times, but 3 seems to be that magical, uncrossable mark for us. It's been that way this whole tour. A lot of times we've got 1, 2, sometimes 3 more, but those first 3 have always come pretty easy, and then for some reason it's just the curse of the 3, and we have a struggle trying to get that 4th one. We kept grinding it out, and I knew setting up on this stand that I wasn't going to get crap on video, and naturally the coyote came from the one direction that I couldn't get any film. I got just a little bit of this coyote on the bottom left side of the screen coming in over the ridge. After that, he was right behind the bush and Garrett the entire time. I kept hoping he was going to poke out one side or the other, but he never did. But you'll see him after the shot kind of spinning around there right off Garrett's left shoulder. Oh, I got him.
I hammered that first shot so bad, dude. I knew I got a shot. I'm lucky I hit him.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what it was. I was right on him, and right as I was just pulling, I just kind of pulled him.
It's because it's been so long since we've seen anything. You get the adrenaline going.
Yeah, we got one though.
Yeah. I didn't get any of it on video. The one place I couldn't get shit.
Get any of that?
It's all like literally right behind you. There's not a place that he went that wasn't behind you.
Great.
Grand.
No yelling on the bus.
Well guys, sorry you're not going to see the pickup on that one. Kind of made a mess of that one. So I'm not going to show some of those messy ones because it tends to get flagged, and once it gets flagged then most of you guys don't get to see the video. So we're going to leave those messy ones out. But we finally broke the curse of the 3. If you guys don't know what the curse of the 3 is, for some reason we get 3 and then it's just a grind all day to try and get that 4th one. We've had one day basically where the 4th, 5th, 6th, whatever came fairly easy, and that was the first day out here. Other than that, to get more than 3 has been just a grind. We'll usually get one right before dark, maybe get lucky, get a couple of volunteers, but yeah, for the most part 3 is just what we're getting. But we broke the curse. Hopefully that's we're gonna get a couple more. Where'd you see him from?
He was just coming off that bank.
I saw him right before he broke out of the brush and down into the open.
Yeah, I didn't see him much before that. He blended in so good with that dark stuff.
He did. I just caught movement. Otherwise, if he'd have been standing there, I never would have seen him. And then I got on him, and then you barked, what, right about when he hit the open there?
Yeah, I didn't want him to get down in that low spot.
Yeah.
So I barked it, and I was just squeezing the trigger, and he starts walking again, and then I got real nervous. And so I barked again, and he stopped, and I just kind of hurried the shot.
Son of a... I guess it was in the neck. I
bet there's a big hole on the other side, though.
Is this your first one, you think?
Yeah. This stand right here, guys, was kind of a bad setup altogether. We were kind of running out of daylight and trying to just rush some stands in. Most of the time we like to sit fairly close together so we can at least communicate a little bit as to where the coyotes are coming from. The limited amount of cover on this stand, though, kind of forced us to set up a long ways from each other, making everything really difficult on this stand. That right there, guys, is a Sasquatch shot. It's like a mythical beast that you've heard about and heard rumor, but never actually witnessed it yourself. I think that was the first time I believe in Sasquatch now.
That was rough. I was in the shade when I sat down. Did you get that?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I just happened to pan across her and see him come right over the ridge.
You probably didn't hear me kiss.
I didn't know.
I said I saw him coming over the ridge too.
Yeah, I just happened to be panning that way, luckily.
Time constraint, you can get the truck out here.
You don't have your phone on you, do you?
I don't.
Got mine.
Wonder what the way that road goes. It's gotta go.
What's up, guys? Getting close to wrapping up day 11. Got dog number 6 right here. Can't thank you guys enough for your support on this. Sorry I'm fat, I'm breathing hard. Got a heavy coyote, been dragging for a while. Alright guys, if you got any questions about any of the partners we work with, check the description and link in the bio. Got that down in the bottom. You can get 10% off Kings, Canvas Cutter, and Scope Vision. So use our promo codes hidden, and then at Canvas Cutter it's HI10. But thank you guys again for your support. Again, head over to our website, hiddeninstinct.net. Any hats, hoodies, or shirts you buy during the month of December, it's going to help us out with this coyote tour to keep going. And also we're going to be donating 10% back. So can't be happier than we are to be doing that. And here comes the coyote chauffeur loot. Right there. Got time for maybe one more stand tonight, so keep after it. Thanks for watching, guys.